When it gets hot outside, I'm sure you, me, and everyone else is craving something nice and cold to drink. And really, the best thing to have is a nice, fresh, homemade iced tea. And the best, healthiest way to have it is with your own loose leaf tea. It's cold, it's refreshing, and quite frankly, it's delicious. Hello, my name is Dawson with TranquiliTEA, and today we'll be making some iced tea. First things first, you need to get your tea. I'll be using one of our popular green tea blends, Strawberry Splash. Next, of course, you'll need something to put it in, so I'll be using a heat-safe pitcher, as well as one of our 2.5-inch tea balls. To fill the tea ball, it's quite simple. Just grab a tablespoon measuring cup, open up the tea ball, and put in about a heaping tablespoon of tea into the bowl. It's important not to crowd the bowl and get it too full, or else when the leaves expand, they'll get constricted and won't be able to release all their flavor. Make sure you seal the tea back up and put the tea ball inside of your pitcher. Next, I have about 175-degree water to pour right over the tea. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Grab the water and pour it in. It's important to cover the leaves so that they can soak up all the water and then release all their flavor. Now we're just going to let this tea sit here for about 5 minutes to let it brew. Okay, we've let this tea rest for about 5 minutes, and now it's time to finish. So first things first, you need to take out the infuser. So make sure you have something to put it in, preferably some small bowl or little plate. Take it out, give it a couple shakes to get all the excess water out, and put it in your bowl. Now, if you wanted to add sugar, now would be the time to do so when it's nice and hot and you can stir it in. I, however, prefer it to be unsweetened. Then what you're going to need to do is add about as much ice as you did water to basically double the amount of tea you have, turning it from 32 ounces of hot tea to a half gallon or 64 ounces of iced tea. So just go in, little at a time, you don't have to rush. Every so often, when you pour in some ice, get out a stir and give it a little mix. Make sure the ice is mixed in, make sure it's not cooling too fast, and make sure you don't add too much ice. Stir. And you can basically feel the side of the pitcher, see if it's gotten cold. And I'll add a little bit more ice, and we'll be ready. Perfect. One short final stir. Now you'll get out your cup. Pour in your freshly made iced tea. Get a cut of lemon and a straw. And you're ready to drink. Enjoy.